Hey everyone, welcome to the course. We're going to start straight away. We're not going to do too much talking. We're going to get straight into the work. But first, I got to explain to you what is Microsoft Word. Well, Microsoft Word is a word processing software program. All that means is instead of writing it on paper, you get to write it on the computer. All right? Now, when writing on paper, when you make a mistake, you got to rub it out. You got to put a line through it and so on. In Microsoft Word, it's a lot more dynamic. When you make a mistake, you just press backspace or you just press delete and you can start again. And you can apply different types of styles, formatting. And in this day and age, you need to know Microsoft Word. Writing a resume, writing reports, representing results, academic research, in professional career, everything. Microsoft Word, you need to know it. Okay? So it's an amazing, amazing program. I've been using it for maybe 15 years now, a really long time. I love it. I use it almost every day. Not so much. I'm more of a Microsoft Excel guy these days, but I still use Microsoft Word. Amazing, amazing program. So that's enough as an introduction. Let's get straight into how to use this program, all right? See you guys soon.